Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM silver bullet for Thursday, June 6th. So I have the Kraken time cycles indicator up. It's still in beta testing. It will be made part of the private indicators for $29 a month in the Kraken suite of indicators as soon as it gets done with the beta test. So I know I'm doing videos with this in there, but right now we're testing it out. So might as well show you how it works. So right now it's 9:59 right now. So let's do one more right here. Okay. All right. Well, when I saw this right here, there's SMT with ES. Okay. So I'm going to show you ES. I'm going to bring ES on here. Let's do ES right here. And let's just show you. I'll move this higher. Oops, I can't. This low here is lower than this low, and this low is higher than this low. So SMT with ES. Okay, there you go. All right, so now I'm looking for higher prices. I want to see it break through this fair value gap right here, turn that into an inversion fair value gap. So let's see if that happens or not. Close below. Okay, there you go. Inversion fair value gap right there. So I like price come up and hit that, and I can target. Now this is the day before NFP, so I don't have high expectations. Right now there's a 5-minute fair value gap right here and a fair value gap. I'd be probably targeting this right here to fill this in, and if I can, let it run to these highs right here, but those may get left. But right now my first target would be this, and see how that goes. Again, it's the day before NFP, so it's not a great day of trading. Usually it's kind of more of a tape reading type of day. So let's see how this goes. Respecting that fair value gap. Totally would have bought there, but I don't want to buy all the way up here. That's, 7 points higher than where it would be. I don't really want to do that. So let's see if there's anything better. That's closer. I'd like to see if we get any further down. Would be nice. Come on. There you go. Buy. Oh. All right, we're going to buy there. Right there. Watch it close below and give us a better entry. I like that. Nice. All right, let's go break even. Let's go break even. All right. Ho 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 ho. So close. Whew. Should have waited for a close with this 15-minute fair value gap. Should have waited for a close above. Should have thought about it more. We got lucky there. Reason I got lucky there is because, look how close it came to taking us out. What is it? 2 points? Yeah, 2 points away. 2 ticks away, I'm sorry, not points. But what I should have realized is that with a 15-minute fair value gap there, it's likely to go into it and have some kind of reaction down. And so I should have waited until we had a close above the 15-minute fair value gap to move my stop to break even. So got lucky there. Really lucky there. May have easily taken us out there if I moved it too much. So got lucky there. I'd see it close above that 15-minute fair value gap, which would be nice. Okay, there you go. No, dang. There we finally closed above it. Now we're in this 5-minute fair value gap and this 1-minute fair value gap right here. So we'll see how that trades into right now. Okay, there you go. Should take us out right there. So you see how if we would have moved our stop, we would have missed on, 40, basically 44 points. Let's see, it would have probably ruined your day. Let's see how the rest of it takes out that high or not. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Okay. All right. All right, like I said, day before NFP, you can't expect much. Low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit was to take out this fair value gap, and it did, and then kind of, started rolling back over. So obviously wanted to fill that gap and come back. So, okay, let's recap. So we came to 10 o'clock hour. We had S&T with ES. We're in our extended macro time window, and we traded up. We have left an inversion fair value gap. We took our trade when it came into our inversion fair value gap here, and we were didn't want to target these highs because it's the day before NFP, not really sure how it's going to trade out. So we took the low-hanging fruit of this fair value gap. There was a 5-minute fair value gap here as well, so we were trying to trade through those, and that was 45 points, so 1 to 3. And price came up, and there was a 15-minute fair value gap right here, and it didn't close above it. It traded into it, which you should expect it to trade into it, and then a possible reaction, like a retracement, right? I moved my stop just above break even, and if I was, 2 ticks away from being taken out with this wick right here, so we got lucky there. Should have waited for a close above the 15-minute fair value gap and then moved our stop ahead, but this is over 60%. That's usually where I move my stop to break even and take a partial if I was trading too. So in reality, trading this live, if I had more than one contract, I would have taken a partial here and moved my stop probably here and got taken out right here. In this instance, we didn't. I just moved it up here, and we didn't get taken out. And then price moved aggressively towards fill in this fair value gap in our TP target. And then after it did, it just kind of started rolling over. So that is your AM silver bullet for Thursday, June 6th, using the Kraken suite of indicators.